Hey, so this is a quick setup guide with the latest version of MYOB. As you can see, there's a whole new user interface, which makes connecting much easier. So you want to head to the settings using the MYOB link found under WooCommerce, or you can go to WooCommerce settings, integration, and then MYOB. You'll land on the setup page, which you can see has a checklist here, and you want to start by clicking connect to MYOB, which will allow you to connect to the MYOB server. Additionally, if you want to use a single sign-on or developer credentials, you can enable these, but the fastest way and the way we're going to use is to just click connect to MYOB, and you'll be prompted for your MYOB you'll be prompted to log into MYOB. Once you sign in directly to the MYOB server, you'll be redirected back. You may be prompted for two-factor authentication, so complete that also. Cool, so you'll be redirected back to your server, and this will establish the connection between your site and MYOB. From here you can monitor your settings, your connection status, and most of this will automatically update, but you can also prompt this if ever needed. Once you have connected, you can hit save and continue, and the next step will be to connect the company file. So in the company file tab, you can enter your company file username and password. By default, the default username is administrator and the password is optionally blank. If you haven't got a username and password set up, you can try the default, which will work for most cases. Once that is entered, hit connect and wait for this to connect to your company file. Awesome, so now that that's refreshed, it's taken us to the next page, and from here you can continue the setup for the MYOB plugin. This will include configuring the accounts for various cost and sale account and line items. You can then choose what you want to sync between MYOB and WooCommerce and how you want to sync it, and these options will allow you to configure how products are synced, how sales and invoices are synced. At any point, if you do want to update or check these settings, you can use the tabs across the top, which will enable you to update the settings or configure this further. Lastly, if there is any issues, we've made logging super easy with the log section. Any issues will show up in the log section to help you quickly identify the cause and resolve that.